Okay, think that it's still working, right? I think it does. Okay, are we now? Interesting. Did I just start? Wait. Okay, I think it's still working, right? Okay, I'm just taking a quick look. Okay, I think it's still fine. Did I just start? I just started here also now on YouTube and as well here. Okay, so I think it's still working quite all right. I will just continue on my. Okay, I will mute myself. Okay. So we are, as I say, we're just seeing bullish recovery. Very nice. Okay. I will keep those drawings. So here looking at Ethereum, very nice recovery for the bulls here, looking very strong once again. So critical support now will be $510 for Ethereum. We should not move below this point if bulls want to continue, want to see continuation to the upside, meaning we will see, or meaning a move above $560 for Ethereum. The daily looks still looks strong. There is no sign of weakness currently on the daily. Seems like we could get all the way actually to $800 here for Ethereum. Of course, Bitcoin would need to move in a very similar direction in order to see this happen. But besides $800, there is actually no resistance in this territory. We also just cleared the past high of 490, so this was also neglected as resistance. We just saw some upwards consolidation and then a strong two strong bullish breakout candles here, and we are again holding very nicely for Ethereum. So Ethereum looking also very strong. I actually kind of FOMO'd into Ethereum here at $480 in this consolidation. Well, it seems to be a very nice trade. This is a long-term position, so I'm going to sell this in the $1,000 territory probably, and not before that. So this is a long-term position here for Ethereum. Just taking a quick look at some of these other altcoins. Yeah, I don't think they are performing as nice as Ethereum is currently doing. There was an entry probability or a possible entry here for Litecoin. Actually didn't look too nice. We are getting a retracement to past support, so possibly to see rejection. But of course, if Bitcoin continues to the upside, we will see something very similar happen. Euro Finance actually looking very strong here again, finding support. Not, I would have liked to buy Euro Finance here at 19,300. Sadly, we did not see a retracement there yet, so I would like to buy it in this vicinity here. Right here, I would like to buy it. Sadly, we did not get into my buying area, but that's okay. I will just stay on the sidelines for now. So, well, for Ethereum, there is not too much to say. Well, I think on the weekly, we still have one more week until we'll get the 9 sell here for Ethereum. We also have the warning for next month, meaning being an MRI top. So, yeah, I don't think there is too much to say regarding Ethereum. Just, okay, taking a quick look at what's happening. Live stream hopefully is still working. At least it should be doing. I'm very new to this, so bear with me on it. Okay, so looking at Euro Finance here, having a very nice consolidation, actually possibly entry here with a stop loss below 24,600. Just below I would have a stop loss and I could be entering here in this vicinity. Look, it does look quite strong for here in finance. We still can get a possible retracement to 23,693. I would also like to buy it in this area, since this was some resistance in the past and most likely will become support in the near term future. We could argue that we are in a descending channel. Probably not. Well, wait a minute. We could make the argument. We could make the argument that we are in this descending channel. It does kind of look like it. There was some broadening wedge going on. I can possibly try it with a triangle, and you can see it. So there was this wedging formation going on. Very interesting pattern actually. Didn't see it that clearly yet, sadly, but it does look very interesting here for your finance, for a possible move to, well, at least to 27,000, but mostly actually going into the next vicinity of resistance, being 27, basically 28,000. But since your finance is that strong, I would expect a move above this level, and then at the next challenge of the next level being up approximately $30,000 here for your finance, just below, just $100 below. I would look for the next resistance area. But your finance does look very strong currently, so there was or is a possibility to enter bullish here on your finance. So we can also just take a quick look at some of these. Well, we can take a look at Litecoin. It did experience a very nice rally actually recently, still holding the daily higher lows very nicely as well. So it will be pretty critical, most likely, to hold 17,792 here for Litecoin. It will be pretty critical to hold this support level in order to keep the daily higher lows intact. We did have an MRI top here on a 9 sell, so very nice that this worked out. The weekly also looks like Ethereum's. We still have one more week compared to Bitcoin. What is very strong here for Litecoin is that for the first time in like 3 to 4 years, 3 years I think, for the first time we made again a weekly and also I think a monthly, also monthly higher high here. If we close this monthly candle in this vicinity, or at least above 80, let me zoom in a little bit. If we hold above $83, then I think this will be very bullish for Litecoin, since we are closing a monthly candle above the prior swing high, meaning that this is the first start of a real trend change. We already had this weekly higher top, or the weekly higher top just broken through, which was around $69 here, and we are again holding very nicely sideways. So Litecoin looks like it wants to continue, but you can take a look at the prior top here at $83, also on a 9 sell. So we could be in the first start of the next leg down. And of course, this is linked to Bitcoin and what it does. We also could make the case for a parabolic curve actually here. This looks very nice. This looks really, really nice actually. This looks very nice. So we could make the case for this parabolic curve here, moving now strongly to the upside. Getting into parabolic territory, meaning that we cannot sustain this uptrend much longer before getting a break below this support line, and then most likely a retracement to one of the prior resistance areas, meaning that we could, if we get this retracement here of 20% on Bitcoin, then we can get this retracement on Litecoin as well, meaning we will get back to $68 here for Litecoin approximately, maybe a bit lower, maybe even into the $63 range. This is very possible. There is a lot of support and resistance, as you can see, many levels here touching, looking very nice actually. So there was a lot of resistance and support here around $64 and for a Litecoin, so we could have just a retracement into this vicinity. This would also be a nice buying area, and a retracement from the high to the low of 26%. So this could be very nice buying area for a long-term trade here on Litecoin. But in general, looks bullish. Still, of course, the trend remains. As I said, we have to hold $77 for the next, in order to keep the uptrend remaining, we have to hold this level. But Bitcoin again seeing continuation here, actually going to the hourly, still looking very strong, meaning we see, yeah, and Ethereum as well, already touching above 550 again, looking very strong. I do like to see this, of course, very strong sign again. Okay, so we still have a lot of speed in these bulls left, a lot of strength. The bears have to shaken out in order to get this correction. This will not be an easy task, I think, meaning that the bulls are still so strong that the bears cannot see this correction for long, but this will happen, of course. Sooner or later we will get a retracement, and the bulls and the strength is out of the market for the short term, at least. Okay, is there anything to mention? Well, very interesting here for SPY, actually. A very nice triangle forming. Looks like continuation. We would need to get a bounce on next week, right in this vicinity, actually, where we're currently at, in order to maintain the hourly uptrend. We would need to have a bullish candle at least, or a break at least of 3,568 on the S&P 500 index on the SPX in order to remain the hourly uptrend and stay in this symmetrical triangle. This does look like it wants to continue again higher, maybe even go into $3,1700 range, point range, whatever you want to call it. Let's keep it at that. Yeah, of course, we can also just quickly talk about XRP Ripple, but not on this. Do it like this. So we had this huge spike here for Ripple, going above significant resistance. So what is to be expected? Well, I don't know. I mean, this spike could be maintained. This spike could be again a run up, but I don't see it yet. We would need to see sideways consolidation here for Ripple in order for me to get bullish long term. I don't like this chart, and I don't like how it looks. It's, of course, it's bullish that we broke above 33 cents for Ripple, but in order to tell me that a real trend change is on the way, we would need to break 50 cents right here, break 50 cents and at best have consolidation now to the side, and then see similar to what happened right here, just a bit shorter, meaning that we will get sideways consolidation. I can use this brush, sideways consolidation here, and then again a break to the upside for Ripple, go and go above the 50 cents, and then above the next target, which is 75 cents. And then there is actually basically almost no resistance until $1, and afterwards most likely we will challenge the all-time high, which currently sits at 30. Let me use the magnet tool. At $3.31. So Ripple could be on meaning, or what I mean to say is that Ripple seems that it wants to at least hold the gains for now. What happens on a daily time frame, I cannot say. We need to stay above 33 cents in order to have a chance of moving higher, since Bitcoin still seems to be one of the outperforming assets here on some of these altcoins. I think we will not yet see Ripple and other altcoins mooning, maybe except for Ethereum. There seems to be the possibility, but for some of these altcoins, I don't think there is the mark yet. I still think there's too much liquidity flowing into Bitcoin in order for these altcoins to pump to very significant levels. But maybe I'm wrong, of course, and I will be proven wrong, or I will admit if I'm proven wrong, of course. But until then, I will remain semi bullish here on these altcoins, since of course Bitcoin looks strong and most likely the dollar value will increase for these altcoins. So the Ollie chart is giving you this triangle formation. I do not like it too much. I do not like the chart here on Ripple. I most likely will stay away from trading it. If we can get daily consolidation to the side, then I possibly would consider entering. This is a very nice green 2 above a green 1, bullish breakout above resistance. The weekly also being a green 2 above a green 1, bullish breakout, also very nice. 3-day not giving you too much, and the monthly also not extended. Okay, I think that's actually mostly it for this live stream. Don't think there's too much to say. We are now 30 minutes into this live stream. I don't know why. I think it's YouTube also recorded this live stream. If not, then welcome to this live stream. I actually started it here on OBS. If you did not see my introduction, then again, go down into the comments, leave a like here, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well for these regular updates here on the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, I think that's it actually. I think I will do here, use my Instagram. So here, follow me here at enlightened_trading_, of course, here on Instagram for some memes and some funny content along the way, posting on a regular basis as well over there. I think I will continue to make videos next week. I still have a lot of things to cover on a personal and professional side, so there are a lot of things to do next week. So hopefully I will have the time for some uploads, but I cannot guarantee anything, is what I basically mean to say. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this live stream. If you did, as I said, leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, any of this good stuff. Really, it really does help me, and of course, and I appreciate it very much if you do so. Hope you had a great weekend, and I will see you guys and girls and people back next time. Bye.